Hey everyone, today I have something truly special on my desk. It's not just a keyboard, it's a piece of industrial art, the IQUNIX MQ80. Even before unboxing it, you can feel the premium vibe. Right from the start, the packaging feels premium and minimalist. As we slide the outer sleeve and the lift, we aren't just greeted by the box, but by the high quality hard shell carrying case. It's rock, stylish, and perfect for your protecting investments. Unzipping the case, we get our first look at the MQ80 itself. The weight is first thing you will notice. The full aluminum body gives it a solid, high-end feel that plastic board just can't match. But the IQUNIX doesn't stop at the keyboard. They packed a wealth of accessories in the top mesh pocket. Let's take them out one by one. The first thing that catches your eye is seamless harmony between the crisp white keycaps and the silver aluminum frame. The MQ80 features an 80% layout, meaning it saves desk space without sacrificing those essential function keys. And notice that subtle RGB strip on the side. That's kind of attention to detail that sets Unikis apart from the crowd. First up, we have essential tools for any mechanical keyboard enthusiast. There is a dedicated cleaning brush to keep your desk setup looking pristine. Alongside it is a high quality dual purpose keycap and a switch puller. It's sleek and functional, allowing you to sweep out caps and switches effortlessly without scratching the finish. One of my favorite features here is the inclusivity included in the kit are extra keycaps specifically for Mac and Windows conversion. Whether you are a creative professional on macOS or a gamer on Windows, you can swap between these keys in seconds to match your OS perfectly. To power it all, we have a premium braided USB-C cable that feels built to last. Finally, tagged to the bottom, we find the user guide and a warranty card. I highly recommend keeping this guide handy. It explains specific key combination for the RGB lighting effects and the seamless switching between Bluetooth and the 2.0 GHz wireless modes. As you can see, IQUNIX has thought of everything. No filler, just high quality tools to ensure you get the most out of your MQ80. Now that we've seen the inside, let's get this beauty plugged in and hear how it sounds. The connectivity wise, the MQ80 is a beast. It supports three models: wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless, and you can switch between your laptop, tablet, and main PC with a simple keystroke. It's all about versatility. Now let's talk about what matters most, the typing experience. The switches feel incredibly stable and every key press feel deliberately smooth, but don't just take my word for it. Let's let the keyboard speak for itself. That deep, tacky sound is the result of a multiple layered sound of damping foam inside the case. It eliminates any hollow pinning sounds, making it a dream for long riding sessions or late night gaming. It is tactical, responsive, and incredibly satisfying. The IQUNIX didn't hold back on lighting either. The RGB modes are vibrant and highly customizable. Even in the bright daylight, the backlighting is clear and punchy. The side lighting bars add a beautiful ambient glow to your desk mat, and as you can see in the user guide, controlling these effects is super intuitive using onboard shortcuts. Plus, the battery life is solid. The massive internal battery ensures you won't be reaching for the charging cable every 2 days while in wireless mode. To wrap things up, the IQUNIX MQ80 is a masterclass in combination aesthetics with a performance. If you're looking for a mechanical keyboard that brings a retro, modern look and top-tier build quality to your desk, this is it. From the acoustic to the premium materials, it delivers on every front. What do you guys think of the design? Let me know in the comments below, and all links in the description down below. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for the more tech reviews. And leave the comment section what you thought about this keyboard. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.